You spoke, and the word was formed. The oceans obey your call. The heavens declare your glory. You reign above it all. Your power has